Okay, good morning. This is the Allworx 9212 phone. The reason why they call it the 9212 is because there are 12 buttons here on the side that you can program to suit your operation. The other functions, the most commonly used function and features has been dedicated here and here. So if you look carefully, there's messages. This button is for checking your voicemail, and also this messages button will light up red if you have a message. This is the intercom button to call somebody inside the organization. Conference is self-explanatory. You can bridge one or two lines and then perform a conference together with two other parties. There's transfer, release, park, information. The information button, when you press that and press any of these buttons, it will tell you what function this button was programmed to. And then you have the standard 1 to 0, star, and pound keys. Then you have a speaker button which turns on and off the hands-free capability. The mute and do not disturb. This is very handy when you are in a meeting, you don't want to be disturbed. Just press the button and the ring will stop, and all your messages, all your callers will go to voicemail. This is hold, self-explanatory. Again, if you have a line 1, you're talking to line 1 and you want to hold, press hold, that will flash. And when you can come back, just press the line button. Volume control, minus and plus. Increase the volume, decreases the volume. Now, this is a full speaker phone. You see that hole there? That's the speaker. I mean the microphone. This is the handset, of course. You talk to the handset and you listen to the handset for privacy. Cord, hook flash, and this can be turned with a penny, and you can turn it and it can be wall mounted. Let's flip the phone on the other side. On the other side, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. These 5 holes represents, from the left is the handset. That's where you will plug the handset. Then the next one is the headset. If you plan to use a headset for this phone, most of the headset in the marketplace is compatible with this phone. This jack is called computer. This is where you plug your laptop or workstation. This is the network. This is where you plug it to the wall jack. Okay, so from the wall jack to the network, and then it will boot up the Allworx, and the Allworx will provide a pass-through signal to the computer. So essentially, this computer is also a switch. So it will save you from running one more cable for the computer, because if you plug the computer here, you actually just booted up 2 devices into one cable. Sometimes the switch is not power over Ethernet, so you have to use this optional 24 volts jack. This is to power up the phone locally. But modern installation, usually we use the power over Ethernet switches that will send the power here directly to the network using the Cat5e cable. Thereby, this becomes unnecessary or redundant. And if you look carefully, this bracket is removable. You can put it this way. You can put it in the middle. It changes the angle of your viewing. You see now, it is more about 45 degrees. If you put it on the top, it becomes about 30 degrees. The reason is some people prefer it this way, some people prefer it almost upwards. It's up to your preference. The last buttons that we need to discuss is these buttons. This is the up button, check button, down button. and also 1, 2, 3, 4 display buttons. They all work. So what means that when you're looking for an extension or directory in your phone system, press this button or this button and it will start scrolling the names of all the extensions. When you find the right name that you like to call, you press this button, the middle one, and it will start calling that name. Also, these buttons here, this will represent different functions depending on the status of the phone. This could say last number redial. This could say list all the missed callers, and so forth and so on, but we will discuss that when we are actually in operation mode. Right now, this is just to familiarize yourself with the 9212, the most common phone you can get in the Allworx system. Thank you.